Folks, what is behind me is a brand new 2025 Arcadia Select 25 SRD. What do you mean by Arcadia Select? It's manufactured by Keystone. It's a 25-foot fifth wheel designed strictly for half-ton towable. The reason why the dry weight, what's behind me, is 7,400 pounds. Any half-ton truck, the good one, like the one they pull for 9 or 10 or 11, perfect for this unit. And a lot of people, sometimes they come to me, Niall, I want a shortest fifth wheel, very short. Well, this is the shortest, 25 feet, and overall length should be around 28. So you could take it to any campground, because you need to realize 6 feet from this is going to be on your truck. But let's talk about the Arcadia 25. First, is manufactured by Keystone, who provide you 3-year warranty structure, 1-year tip to tip, which is better than the other manufacturer. Now, it has nice aerodynamic cap in the front, and it's perfect for short bed. It has the Armo retrofit here, or we call it the Trail Air by Lippert, so it gives you a smoother ride. 3-year structure warranty, the one we talk about it. 2 propane tank, 1 on each side. They're 7-gallon, by the way. Some competitor they put 5. This is 7. Nice power awning, which is covered whole entire fifth wheel. It has release magnets, release latch here, pass-through storage, aluminum structures, full installation in this floor and an installation over here, and it's a pass-through storage. You've opened the latch, close, place for TV. So if you decide to be TV outside, endless hot water heater. That's the best hot water heater in the market. It's on-demand hot water heater. Entry assistant handle. I love this. The beer can opener. Perfect. Power awning with LED. Power cord hookup. And it has, the reason why they like the 25, because some state they do triple, where I could pull this fifth wheel and behind me a boat. So they give you class 3 hitch with the 4-way plug. So this is designed if you want to pull a boat behind you, or jet skis, or you could put a back rack, or you could put a tray, or you could pull your motorcycle or your electric bike. Again, one thing advantage of the Arcadia, they give you everything in one docking stations. So you have the outside spray, hot and cold, outside shower, hot and cold. You could rinse your feet, dogs. All the cables all the valve for the gray water and the black water is hidden inside and heated. Black cable, satellite cable, and all the hookup of the water right there, and Sani flush. Again, this is the other side of the pass-through storage. You can get stuff. Again, people love this floor plan because it's only 25 feet. Big tank, as you see. Then additional solar prep. The reason why they do that, in case if somebody want to add additional solar, already comes standard with 220 watt solar panel on the roof. So the beauty about Keystone Arcadia standard come with 220 watt solar panel on the roof. And then we have over here another storage. I love they have a shock. That's where you put your batteries, and your spare tires covered, which is give me a clean look in the back and allow me to pull some stuff behind me. Latch here for your dogs or your bike, so nobody, if your dog give you a hard time, you put them right there. Another advantage on the Keystone Arcadia is 1 key. So before, they used to give many keys, like key for entry door, key for storage. It's 1 key for everything. Coming over here, I love this color. This is super modern colors. The one who designed it is awesome. So you have over here, let me look, because to be honest with you, this sofa, it's a high-class sofa, to be honest with you. And this is a hide-a-bit sofa, but when you walk to it, you think it's recliner. And they tricked me, because the first thing I walk in, I was, try to reach the handle. I thought they're recliner, but in reality, it's a hide-a-bit sofa. Look like recliners, but there's a full bed underneath it, and I'll demonstrate the bed for you so you can see what's look like. Because this unit sleep, 5 to 6, it depends on their size, but it has a 3 seating area. You have this beautiful hide-a-bit sofa. It's right here, and I will demonstrate it for you so you could see. It's easy. It's a brand new, guys. Never been opened. And voila! You can lay down one. You know, it's one adult to two people like my size or one big guy. But the beauty is you could lay down, you could watch the TV. You're not in the way for somebody coming from the bedroom and the bath. There's a lot of room to walk by. And also this dinette, it dropped down and become a bed. So you have the U-shaped dinette in the back is a bed. You have this height of it as a bed, and you have the bed in the front. So you could see it's very roomy and very comfy. And what I like about Arcadia, they give you everything. They give you the exact stuff in the high-end fifth wheel, and they put it in price point leader unit. Same structure. They don't cut corners. Some other brands, when they do lower cost unit, they cut corners and they cut things from it. And this one, no. You can see the same stuff is there in their high end, like the Montana and the Alpine. Okay, so height of bed sofa, big eating table in the back. I mean, very easy to get in. Easy, I could sit 1, 2, and 2. Easy 6 people. And then you have the beautiful big rear view windows. And then you have a lug this touch for handles. You can put your hands. And there's a USB plug, 110 plug. All the back is the storage. So you can see these cabinets. And facing the theater, the recliners, so trick me, it's not the recliner. Facing the hide-a-bit sofa and the U-shaped dinette, you have a beautiful TV on a swing arm. They give you the stereo with the DVD, which is not a lot of people, they do that. A lot of storage here, huge counter space, big closets. You could see the big amount of storage area on the right side of the stove and the left side of the stove. 3-burner range, oven, cooking pans, place for trash can. No, there's room. Big country sink, and come with a cubic foot refrigerator. And so roomy, a lot of cabinet, a lot of storage. Flush microwave. Even they don't waste any space. Solid wood. So this is the beautiful. So it has hide-a-bit sofa facing the TV and a big rear view window with a U-shaped dinette. This is the most suitable floor plan. And then you have a nice step. And then you have a true queen bed, 60 by 80. Plenty of room to walk around it. Plenty of room. So you have no issue fixing the bed. A lot of storage. Plug on the side for inverter prep. USB plug. Beautiful. Even it's a 25 where we do extra here at Best RV. We order this here with 2 AC. So you have a straight AC dumping over your bed, like in a hot weather like today. And then you have another AC in the living, or you could make both. They go through the ducting. Big closets. Big doors. And then you have full privacy. So if you want to see nobody, voila, there's plenty of room around the bed. And the bed also, the cameraman, show them, look how deep the storage is. 50 amp service. Why? Because it's designed for 2 ACs. Got plenty power, plenty storage, plenty capacity, and to do everything. But even 25, look how roomy the bathroom is. So roomy, and a big shower. My elbows, skylight, toilet, porcelain toilet, big sink, solid medicine cabinet, control for the endless hot water here. Amazing unit. Amazing. So, if you guys have half-ton towable truck, that's perfect for you. You want a rear living, that's perfect for you. You want a sofa facing the TV, that's perfect for you. And you want a fifth wheel where you could do triple, like in the state of California, you have to have certain length, that's the one. Come to Best RV. And what Best RV make sure always? The best and the lowest price for you. What's the second thing? No hidden fees. What's the third thing? No gimmick fees. And we do a full walkthrough, full orientation, full inspections. Minimum 2 hours orientation. Minimum. Show you everything's work and function, not just talking physically at no cost to you. Just come and save money at Best RV.